This is the new ASUS ROG Phone 2. This is the highest end phone made by ASUS. There are 4 major improvements on the new ASUS ROG Phone 2. Let's begin with the unboxing. The global version ROG Phone 2 comes in a 6 prism box. Let's open it up. This is the phone, followed by the Aero Active Cooler 2. Let's check out the new Active Cooler. The new improved cooler is 4 times quieter and can reduce the surface temperature by up to 5 degrees. Next is a box that contains the Aero Active case that allows you to show off the glowing ROG logo and as well mount the Aero Active Cooler. There's a SIM injector and some documentation. There are 2 rubber stands for the Aero Active coolers and extra side USB cover. This is the ASUS 30W Hypercharge Power Brick. And a USB Type-C to Type-C brace USB cable. Now let's check out the phone. It has a 6.59-inch AMOLED display. At the bottom there are 2 microphones, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfers, and a 3.5mm audio jack. On the right side are the power button, volume rocker, a third microphone, and left-right ultrasonic air gesture buttons. SIM card slot is at the left bottom. An additional side USB for the Aero Active Cooler. This is how to install the cooler. You get an additional USB port and a 3.5mm audio jack. This is a perfect solution for landscape gaming. It even has an in-display fingerprint scanner. Back to the 4 major improvements. First, display. The display now features a taller 6.59-inch 1080p AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and also 10-bit HDR colors. It also has an ultra-low touch latency at 240Hz. In a layman term, you get buttery smooth display and fast response touch that are great for gaming. Second, performance. The ROG Phone 2 equipped with the world's fastest mobile processor Snapdragon 855 Plus that has 15% GPU performance and 4% CPU performance over the standard Snapdragon 855. It also features ultra-fast, low-power DDR4X RAM, UFS 3.0 storage technologies, and 802.11 AD ultra-fast connectivities. As you can see here, it has a cooler vent that helps to improve heat dissipation. With the bundled Aero Active Cooler 2, the thermal throttling issue unlikely will occur on the ASUS ROG Phone 2. Third, battery. The ASUS ROG Phone 2 is packed with massive 6000 mAh battery that can easily provide up to 3 days battery life with just a single charge. According to ASUS, the device can play up to 7 hours PUBG Mobile non-stop. Fourth, gaming experience. The new capacitive air trigger that not only just supports tap functionality, but also to slide and perform completely different action. The company also improved its dual vibration models that give better haptic response, which is crucial for gamers. It is also noticeable even typing on keyboards. The ASUS ROG Phone 2 is not only an insane gaming smartphone, but also a compelling daily flagship smartphone. It has a great 48 megapixel cameras, fluid displays and performance, and not forgetting 6000 mAh battery. A more detail of the ASUS ROG Phone will be available in written formats over at theidealmobile.com, together with synthetic benchmark tests, photos and video samples, and as well our user experience of the ASUS ROG Phone 2. Do consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media as we'll be covering the product launch on the 16th of October 2019. The price and the actual availability will be announced on the day itself. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong, signing off.